The title of my message is Keep On Building. The scripture can be found in the book of Genesis chapter 6, verses 13, 14, 19. And God said unto Noah, the end of all flesh is come before me. The earth is filled with violence to them, and behold, I will destroy them with the earth. Make thee an ark of gopher wood, whom shalt thou make in with the ark, and shalt pitch within and without with pitch. And of every living thing of all flesh, 2 of every sort shalt thou bring into the ark, to keep them alive with thee. They shall be male and female. When God saw how wicked the earth had became, he decided to destroy all men that lived on the earth. Of all the men that were on the earth, Noah found favor with God. So the Lord told Noah to build an ark to preserve life. Noah was obedient to God and did all that he was commanded to do. If Noah was only building the ark for himself, he could have finished early. But God told him to build an ark for it to be large enough for his family and all the animals. While he was building, he didn't stop preaching. For 120 years, he built the ark and told the people, it's going to rain. Since they had never seen rain before, they made fun of him. When God gives you something to do, you cannot allow other people to stop you because they don't understand you. So when the people made fun of him, he just kept on building. After Noah completed the ark, God spoke to him and said, come unto the ark. He could have said, go, but he said, come. So he would know that he would be with him. Then he closed the door. Only God can be in the ark with him and outside, closing the door at the same time. In the same way, he can be inside your circumstances with you while you are going through and outside, working it out at the same time. Sometimes when God tells you to do something, people will make fun of you. But you should remember Noah and keep on building. God gave a place for the vision to build a church, and some said it could not be done. Others said it was a waste of time and money. But he did like Noah and kept on building. Now we are about to move into a brand new church, because he did not let people discourage him. God can use us more often if we don't let people discourage us. So no matter what you have to do or how hard the task is, just remember Noah and keep on building.